Rajshri. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are back with another tarot reading. Today we are going to see what is it that you need to know right now. Okay, we are going to check the details, messages, the guidance that comes through. We will look in details into your situation. Okay, so keep in mind these are general collective messages. They may and may not resonate with everyone. Take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Try to connect with me. Dear spirits, please connect me to the collectives. Please give me the messages for my collectives. Give me the messages for my collectives. Give me the messages for my collectives. I am getting this message that you are trying to open the wrong door. I saw someone struggling to open the knob of the door, but you are knocking at the wrong door. However it resonates with you. Something that my collectives needs to know. Okay. Collective, what is happening in your life? You went through a lot. You really went through a lot. Okay. Please give me the messages for my collective, something that they need to know right now, something that my collectives needs to know right now. Give me the messages for my collective, something that they need to know right now. Dear Spirit, something that they need to know right now. Okay, I'll take this. Let's take this. Okay. Your energies are very intense. Something devastating happened in your life. Your reading is opening with this Devil card. We have this Tower card, the Chariot, 5 of Wands, Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck we have this Death card. Something huge happened in your life that has shook you. Okay, so as I said, your reading is opening with this Devil's card. I do see that something happened in your life that it felt that everything has troubled, everything was destroyed, and it is an ongoing energy. Some of you are still going through this destructive phase in your life that just spoiled everything. Like nothing is left in your life, nothing is left of you. And as I got the vision that you're knocking at the wrong door, it could be the things that you're doing right now, it's further worsening your situation. Okay, so we have this Devil card, Tower card, Chariot, 5 of Wands, Ace of Swords. Something that you need to know, despite what has happened in your life, there was an intentional obstacle or blockage that was being sent towards you. Okay, now this is a general reading. Take what resonates, because I see really heavy negative energies. It could be you were affected by really heavy evil eyes, some kind of negative energies that was intended towards you to harm you. Bottom of the deck we have this Death card, which clearly says that it was sent to you to destroy everything, to put an end to something in your life, to put an end to something in your life. Okay, and it happened. The intentions that was being sent towards you, it did created a lot of destruction in your life. The devil card, we have this devil card and nine of wands side by side. Like this devil's energy, this negative energy, this blockage was being sent towards you intentionally to create blockages in your life, to harm you, hurt you intentionally with a particular, you know, it was aimed very directly to you with a very particular intention. For some of you, I'm getting very strong financial setback that you have been through in your life, or you are going through in your life, that really, now this is a very negative term to use, but it broke you. You have been through a very major destructive phase in your life where you literally lost everything. Below the tower card, we have this five of swords energy. Five of swords is like, you know, with this tower card and the five of swords, it's like whatever was being sent to you left nothing in your life. Whatever its target was, it has reached its target. It created that negative energy, that it did had effect on you the way it was intended on you. You really, your world really got trembled with this intention, with this negative energy that was being sent towards you. And it is an ongoing energy. We have this chariot card over here. It is an ongoing energy. You are still dealing with this. You don't find a solution. You are not able to come out of this energy. You don't find a solution to this energy. The more you are trying to fight back, the more you are trying to fight back, the more you feel that you are, getting deep into the situation without a solution. You are trying to fight back the situation, whatever was being sent towards you, because this is an energetic blockage that was being sent towards you, to which you are fighting back physically. Like you're doing everything that you can to save yourself from this situation. Hitting the rock bottom, I'm hearing, like you are left with nothing. But then we have this ace of swords. Something that you need to know right now is that everything that has a beginning has an ending. Whatever this negative energy that was sent to you, it has completed its cycle. It has served its purpose. It will no longer have its effect on you in the near future. It could be for some of you, if it's not a negative energy, it's not a negative energy that has been sent towards you. It could be that someone is directly sending you intentional harm in terms of your career, in your professional life. I'm getting major energies for your career and professional life. Someone is trying to destroy your reputation. Someone is trying to destroy your work, your project, something that some task that you were being given. Someone is trying to destroy you. Please keep in mind it's a general reading, but it is an intentional blockage or a hurdle sent towards you to create chaos in your life, to keep you entangled in something that is completely waste of time. Literally, we have this death card bottom of the deck. It's like very clear, something coming to an end, something coming to. Oh, I'm hearing someone is trying to. If you are in, I don't know, I'm getting this energy of a corporate job. If you are in a job, someone is trying to take away your job. Someone is doing something behind the back so that you lose your current source of income. That is definitely affecting your financial situation. Okay, the more you're trying to resist this energy, the more you're getting entangled in it. So you are being asked to stop, to take a break. Don't do anything, don't fight back, don't do anything, don't fight back. Just stop. Wherever you are, however you are, just stop. That is how you're going to end this cycle. You need to break this cycle energetically. You have to do something that breaks this energy that is coming towards you. The more you're trying to resist it, the more you're feeding this energy. So what you are being asked is to stop. The moment you stop, it will have no impact on you. The more you're trying to fight back, the more it is going to hit you back with more force. So when you stop, when you stop giving any energy, when you stop putting any action, when you stop giving any thought to this, whatever, to this chaos that has been sent towards you, you are closing this cycle from your end. So you are being asked not to resist, not to fight back. You're being asked to do nothing. Just take a break. Something was being sent towards you, something is being done to you in the background that you're not able to see right now, that you're not able to figure out. Maybe sometimes later you'll get to know if some of your colleagues are planning against you or whatever. Someone is trying to take your job, someone is trying to do something in your business to not let you work, whatever, however it's resonating in your situation. It's definitely related to your career, your professional life. Someone doesn't want you to succeed, someone doesn't want you to see success, the sun, the brighter side of life. Someone intentionally is pulling you down into this darkness with this death card. Someone is intending an end in your life, where something is coming to an end. But whatever is happening, it is clearing your karma. Over here we have this 6 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. It is some of your past life karma that is being cleared with this situation that you are going through in your life right now. The moment you stop fighting back, the moment you stop resisting this energy, you will see a new beginning coming towards you. You will see that your mind will get activated. When I say that your mind, it means the moment you stop feeding to this energy, the moment you stop giving your energy to this situation, in that moment you will be able to see the things how they are, and you will be able to you don't need to fight it back. You just need to be smart enough to act very smartly, not to get into the eyes of others. Still protect yourself, protect your job, protect your work, your career from these enemies that you have had. Okay, now with this Ace of Wands, there is this Daughter of Wands energy over here, which says, okay, the moment you stop feeding to this energy, what will happen? New ideas will come to you, new information will come to you. You will receive this information that is going to change the dynamics of your situation, that will bring the situation in your favor. You will be able to dominate this energy with your intelligence, with your capabilities, because there is some uniqueness in you. You are very unique, that is threatening others around you, and who are acting like this, what do we say, that they're not willing to face you, they're doing something behind your back, they're doing something trying to harm you. So they don't have the guts to face you. They know you are better than them. They know you are very capable, and you can, whenever you start, you can create something huge, something enormous. Like you can, maybe you were in a job, and whatever the situation that you're going through, where you're being threatened, or where you feel that you might lose your job with the things that are happening in your life right now, maybe it not maybe it is definitely happening in your favor for your own good, because you are so capable. With this Daughter of Wands, you are so capable, you are so intelligent. We have this Ace of Swords and Daughter of Wands. You are so intelligent, you are so capable, you are so unique. Your ideas are very unique, and they will make a change in your life, that maybe one day you will own your own firm, you will have your own business, you won't be you will be your own boss. You will not be working under someone else. So it is a blessing in disguise. Let them think. Let them think that they are winning. That's how you are going to dominate the situation. That is how you are going to rule your situation and rule your enemies. I'm also getting a lot of office politics over here with this Five of Wands. There is some kind of politics happening against you, that is bringing this destruction in your life, in your career. There are some mischievous things happening in your life behind the scenes that you're not aware of. And this reading, whoever connects with this reading, this reading is going to be an eye opener. This is showing you the mirror of the things that is exactly happening in your life. Maybe you thought this is fate. This is fate, but someone is acting against you. Someone is definitely acting against you. Again, it's a reminder, this is a general reading. You can anytime book yourself a personal reading with me or whoever to confirm your situations. But this is one information that you need to be aware of and work on it accordingly. My throat chakra is getting heavy. It's like as if something is preventing me to speak. I don't have control over it. Okay, please give me some more information for my collective. What is it that my collective needs to know? See, yes. One more. So that was the first half of your reading, where what you needed to know is that whatever is happening in your life, whatever you are going through, it's not just by chance, it is not just a phase, a cycle that came into your life. No, it is being intended on you, and you need to be very careful, because there is someone that is working against you. They are intentionally bringing this tough situation in your life, pulling you down into the darkness where you're not able to see the light, you don't have any clarity. That is the first half of the reading. What you need to know is that someone is working against you, and you need to create boundaries, you need to act accordingly. It is not coming from your side, it is coming from someone else that they are intending on you. Very good. Now the second half of the reading is a game changer. It's coming in your favor. It's coming in your favor, okay? Your enemies thought that they are winning over you, but what is happening in the second half is that we have this justice card, which is being clarified by this father of cups. This is the most balanced card of the deck, I feel, because father of cups means being emotional enough to understand someone and be strong enough to not let yourself let yourself be used by someone. Like, you are emotional, yet you are very mindful about how much energy to give in, how much emotions to give or receive. So a justice is happening in your life. Whatever you have gone through, your hard works are going to pay off. It's not going waste. Some obstacles were being sent towards you, but you kept on working on yourself. You kept on working on the things that you needed to. So that is bringing the situation in your favor, that is bringing justice for you. Whatever you have lost will come back around. You are going to get all that you have lost, and in a much better way, in a much better manifestation. We have this Queen of Cups and the Sun card. Okay, it's getting very difficult to talk right now. So justice is happening in your life. Whatever you have worked for, whatever you have put your energy into, is coming back to you. It is completing its full cycle and coming back to you. All your rewards, all your hard work, it's all going to manifest in your life very magically. And it is not something that will happen and you will know it. No, when this happens, when your justice will be served, everyone will know it. You are going to shine like the sun. We have the Sun card over here. It's not just that you have seen the failure and it was in front of everyone. So now when you are going to taste this success, everyone will see you rise. Everyone is going to see you shine, and that will be their defeat. Whoever wanted to pull you down, whoever wanted to throw shades at you. So justice is being served to you and to those who are trying to hurt you by your success. You are definitely going to get success. You are definitely going to get back all that you ever lost it, and I am hearing that you're getting it back in 10 folds. In 10 folds. You have been through a lot. You have been through a lot. It's a confirmation. You have been through a lot, and it is all coming back to you, and it is coming back in such a good energy that you will receive even the things that you never even dreamt of. We have this Queen of Cups and the Sun card. It is going to bring you a lot of emotional fulfillment with this financial and material success. You are going to get a lot of emotional fulfillment. Whatever you have endured during this tough time, it's all coming back to you in a very positive light, in a very good light. It is the time of justice for you, and justice is happening for you. Okay, yes, when you thought it's an end, because it was being intended on you, something coming to an end, and when you thought that you have lost everything, so know that not everything is lost. Not everything is lost. We still have two cups over here. We still, if you can see, we still have two cups over here. So not all is lost. You will definitely get a communication, or some travel is there on the cards for you, that is going to pull you out from this energy, and that will have a new beginning in your life, where you will be able to, you know, where you will be able to restart your life and get back good karma. Get back good karma in your favor. Let me tell you, bottom of the deck we have this Six of Wands card over here. So victory is coming for you. Victory is coming for you. We have the Sun cards, this Six of Wands card over here. So whatever you have gone through during this cycle, during this painful cycle, it is all coming back to you with a very good karma, because you have been nice to others, you have been doing your things responsibly, you did your part. Now is your time to sit back and relax and watch the karma being served. Those who are trying to hurt you will get it back, and when you did nothing, you will get the good results of that good karma, in the name of success, fame, recognition. Recognition is very strong over here, because people are going to see you, people will know you, that who you are. Like, you are coming in good light, very positive light. If someone was trying to put a blame on you or something, justice will be served and things will come in light. You will be recognized for your honesty and goodwill, and someone who was throwing shades at you, they will be recognized too. They're coming to light. So not all is lost. When you thought it's coming, it's getting out of your hand, and now you cannot do anything about this. No, you will notice there is something that's still left there, and this small something, this very minute thing that you might not be noticing, this is going to bring this success. This is going to initiate this success, this abundance in your life. We have this Four of Cups card over here and Three of Pentacles. If there is someone working against you, universe is also presenting you someone that is going to help you get out of the situation. I know it's difficult to trust anyone when you are being backstabbed by someone, but know that, one more message that I have is that you are being heavily protected by the divine. The universe is protecting you throughout this situation. This is a major karma clearance happening in your life for you and for others as well. Okay, so you are heavily protected, and know that you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to surrender. Stop, give it a break, don't fight back, don't resist, give it a break, relax your mind. You will definitely find something you could not see, or very something very minute, a very minute detail that you could not see, that you thought maybe it's not helpful, will turn the situation around in your favor. And definitely some communication and travel is happening in your life in the near future, that is bringing you a lot of opportunities and success, and that is also bringing you few collaboration and people in your life that are willing to work with you. And it's like I'm getting right now, you were at the wrong place. Now with this situation that occurred in your life, you are being removed from this place, and you are being transferred to some other place, where you will be recognized for your hard work, for your honesty, and for your diligence. I'm hearing it could be that some of you are getting transferred, but the next place that you are being transferred to, there you will have great people around you who are going to help you, support you, and you will shine and rise. You will definitely shine and rise over there. That is the message for you. That is something that you need to know. That is something that you need to know. Okay, let's pull the guidance for you. Please give me the guidance for my collectives, dear spirits. Please give me the guidance for my collectives. The reading is already getting long. Oh, nice. I'm also getting that for some of you, you were being prevented from speaking, that you were not allowed, or someone was not letting you speak your truth. Guidance for my collectives for the situation. Beautiful energy. Okay, so the guidance for you is that you work on yourself. You don't have to change yourself for anyone. You are an honest person, you are a hard working person. Be that person, because you're going to be loved for being so. Don't be people are pressurizing you with this negative habits and situations, but you don't have to become like others to have success in your life. You just have to be true to yourself, and you will see success coming to you. Okay, you need to be very mindful and be very aware of what you choose and what you reject right now at this point of time, because there is an energy in you, there is a self-sabotaging energy within you, where you don't trust yourself enough that you can do this or you can do something. So you need to stop doing that. You need to believe in yourself. You need to know that you are capable of doing anything and anything. We have this 8 of Wands and this Tower card. So your self-doubt is bringing more destruction in your life than others intending on you. The guidance for you is that don't doubt yourself. Let go of this. And I'm also hearing for some of you, you could be having like a negative self-talk with yourself, like you cannot do this, it's not possible for you. Stop doing that. You are self-sabotaging your situation to a degree. You are being asked, it's getting very difficult for me to speak. Okay, Speak your truth. Speak your truth. If there is something that you think you need to say it. Don't think about anything. What will happen? No, you are being taken care of. We have this high priestess card over here with this three of wands. You are you are being taken care of. You just need to do right. You need to do the right thing. This is the guidance for you. You need to do the right thing. Don't doubt yourself. Speak your truth. Do what is needed to be done. Don't fight back. Don't resist these people. Let them be. Let them, these low energies, be low. You rise in your higher self. You be who you are. You be loyal to yourself. Speak your truth. Say whatever is needed to be said. Your throat chakra is imbalanced right now, maybe because you're suppressing a lot of things. You're suppressing a lot of things. Stop suppressing it. Start releasing. Start saying. Do what is needed to be done, and you are being taken care of. Nothing can touch you. Nothing can harm you. You are very much protected. You should know that. The reading is all about something that you should know. You are very much protected. Nothing is going to harm you. You just need to speak your truth. You just need to be in your energy. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have this Fool's card, and here we have this Page of Cups. So definitely a new beginning is there on the horizon for you, and there are a lot of opportunities that are going to be presented towards you. But for that you need to let go of this self-doubt, doubting yourself, and rise in your power. Do what is needed to be done. Say what is needed to be said. Speak your truth. Don't fight back, but at the same time don't pull yourself back. You are stronger. You are very strong, and you should know that you are very strong to handle these things. That's why these things have been thrown on your way, because you can very much handle these things. Okay. So yes, this is the guidance for you. This is the message for you. I hope it resonated with you. I hope it gave you any kind of clarity, any kind of guidance, any kind of information that you are needed to hear. And if it did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal tarot readings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given below in the description box. You can check there. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light.